Hi guys, in this edition of Life at 50, join me and my good friends for some wine and good food at Nutz Boltz restaurant in Desa Park City. Cheers! Desa Park City is a township located just north of Kuala Lumpur. If you pass Taman Tun and go on straight, on the left will be Mutiara Damansara with IKEA. Go on past Damansara Perdana, you have to make a U-turn up here, past Bandar Sri Damansara and come back, and then you turn into Desa Park City. It's a nice township, it's a gated community. There's also a international school, it's a medical center, Park City Medical Center where Dr. Bala works. You'll meet him later. And of course, Plaza Arcadia is where we are heading today. Nice restaurants there, and we are going to Nutz Boltz at Desa Park City. Cheers! As you can see here, we are now at Plaza Arcadia. There's a nice fountain in the center. It's a circle. All the shops are surrounding it. It's nice and colorful at night with all the lights. You can see people strolling along with their dogs. There are lots of restaurants to choose from. And today we are heading to Nutz Boltz at Desa Park City. You can see here, this is Nutz Boltz restaurant. They actually have happy hours every day from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. where a glass of beer, mojito or wine is 10 ringgit each. As you can see the menu over here, they got a wide selection of food, from snacks to western pizzas to steaks, burgers, also Indian food, and there's a large selection of drinks to various cocktails which they can mix for you. What's your name?
Rose.
Rose?
Yes.
R-O-S?
Yes.
Where are you from?
Sabah.
Rose from Sabah. And of course we have Mr. Kuga. Hi.
Hi.
And Dr. Davinder all the way from Ipoh. Cheers. Salute. Alright. And this is the top doctor who looks after all the COVID vaccinations, Dr. Cheong.
Hello.
Come. This is Rose. Rose will be looking after his.
Long time no see.
Announcing the arrival of a top urologist in Subang Jaya Medical Center, Dr. Bala. Can you show your mask? Okay, cheers. Hey. Cheers. My classmate, Dr. Bala Sundram, a brilliant doctor. He even did my vasectomy for me, free of charge. He practices in SJMC, Park City and N.R. Damansara Medical Center. He can handle anything from simple stones to major surgeries. Hey! Bala! Hey! Boss, he want give one strong teh tarik cow. Got a teh tarik cow.
To wake him up.
No teh tarik cow. Bala.
Banana is there.
Okay, beer or you want whiskey?
Take a beer lah. Later.
Okay.
I warm water.
Arrival of the top anesthetist, top in PJ, Dr. Ong K. An.
All non-halal.
Mr. Kuga will now tell us how this. Can you hold the whiskey?
This whiskey.
This is what whiskey?
Island Green.
Island Green whiskey. This is whiskey is also a favorite of Dr. Rajinder Singh, our colleague who can't be here because of MCO. So, Kuga, can you give a cheers?
Cheers.
And tell me how the whiskey
The taste is very nice.
What do you feel?
It's got a smoky
flavor. Okay. Cheers. With cheers to Rajinder Singh. He can't be here.
Rajinder, yes. Wow.
The superb guy.
The top GP in Shraman.
This is my good friend Dr. Rajinder Singh and his wife Dr. Pushpa, and together they run Polyclinic Raj in Seremban, one of the top general practice clinics in Seremban. This is Polyclinic Raj you see here. It's a very nice, well-run clinic. Dr. Raj has received many good reviews if you look at Google search. So this is our appetizer. What's this?
Ikan bilis.
Ikan bilis and
Sausage.
okay. And Dr. Cheong, can you please tell us how it is? Tell us about the.
Very nice. Yeah.
Good.
Yummy.
Okay, yummy. Yeah. Can you please try the what is that? This one. Try. Please.
Very crunchy.
Crunchy.
Just enough spiciness.
Oh, okay.
Very good.
So we ordered this mutton varuval. According top urologist Dr. Bala has recommended this mutton varuval with naan.
Bala, your
Bala, can you please try?
Give us your expert,
Oh, yeah.
expert's opinion.
Okay. Since your wife is a good cook, she must try and tell us how's that.
Good. Let's see.
Mutton normal.
Mutton
How,
looks,
so how are you supposed to eat the Bala?
looks very
Okay.
saucy, juicy.
Okay.
Let's taste the
Okay.
mutton.
So how are you supposed to eat this? With this, is it?
Yes,
No, first you
yes.
taste it like
Alright, first.
okay. Good. Okay. Can you put the naan and tell us how it is like?
Can you please show us?
The meat is very nice, soft and tender.
For your information, Dr. Bala is a top urologist. This is the Suez Canal. You have any urological problems, you need Viagra, Cialis, please come and see Dr. Bala. So now showing us how to eat mutton varuval with naan.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to put the mutton on the naan, dip it in the sauce, and then.
better mutton than this one,
Huh?
Very good.
Good. Okay. Thank you, Dr. Bala. Bala Sundram, top urologist from Muntakap. He's from Muntakap, where the most Mercedes Benz in Malaysia was from Muntakap, correct?
70s.
1970s. Dr. Davinder Singh is trying the mutton. How is it? And this is his favorite restaurant, Hooters. #1 in Asia and Singapore. Yeah? Alright. Choose.
That's right, Mama Me.
Nice. It's got that spicy taste.
Okay.
The varwal is very tender.
Okay. Cheers. Cheers. So this is what? What do you got? Mama Maggi goreng, nuts and bolts style, specially ordered by Dr. Bala.
Yeah.
And Kuga. Can you please try the?
Mama Me.
So what do you do first? So Bala, what's the protocol? There's a lime there. What do you do with the lime?
Squeeze the lemon. Mr. Kuga,
Huh?
you have to
Squeeze the lime.
squeeze
Okay.
the lemon lime first.
So why do you squeeze the lime up?
Give you a better taste.
Okay. So that's Kuga squeezing the lime. And today's videos are all filmed on my iPhone 12 Pro, okay? So you have to mix up so that the lime juice mixes with the mee. And then you put it in your plate.
Try how's the taste.
Big pan, the pan. The pan.
Tastes very good.
Okay,
Same like the Mama.
Mr. Kuga, if you go to the Mama shop and you go here, where you prefer to go?
I think this tastes better than the Mama Me.
Really? So this is
And the thing will hit you one.
satay.
I told already that's not
Kuga, can you please try the
Okay,
satay?
you lah.
As a true Malaysian, Mr. Kuga.
Taking the mutton.
Okay, how's the mutton? Tell us how's the mutton.
Mutton is soft and nice.
Okay.
Tasty. Nice taste.
Good,
Very
eh?
tender and nice. Juicy.
Just.
What bottom?
Our next dish is chicken wings.
The Pitbull, German Shepherd, Rottweiler.
Kuga,
Be mixed really, okay.
from my appearance, what do you think?
The appearance is a bit charred.
Okay.
There's some nuts and all or something on it. Okay, let's see how it is. Soft, tender. Okay, but not the best chicken wings I've ever tasted.
Okay, would you like some chili sauce to dip it in, or you prefer it like that?
I think the spices that have been added is adequate.
Okay,
Just
okay.
like
Cheers.
Kiran.
Okay, Kiran is serving us the specialty of the nuts and bolts, mutton masala. Okay. Can you explain what is it?
So it's full of mutton.
Mutton, then?
Yes, our
signature.
Kuga, can you please try the...
Share with us your experience.
Okay, now both of you, we're going to
Both of
see...
you, okay.
Okay,
Please share with us.
okay.
Whether
Okay.
worthwhile
And then... Bala, how is it?
I think there are two components.
Ah.
One is pizza, one is got the
Okay.
mutton topping. Pizza looks very nice.
Okay,
the crust is very nice. Crispy.
okay. Crispy,
Thin crust.
thin crust, okay.
But the taste of the mutton is same as the mutton warwal we had earlier.
Oh, okay.
Soft and tender.
Okay.
Got a lot of mushrooms inside there.
Oh, okay.
And the curry leaf.
Okay. Is it good?
Toasted curry leaf.
Okay, now one question, Mr. Kuga. You got to choose this pizza again or Domino's or Pizza Hut, which one you choose?
I will choose this one.
Oh, okay.
Because it's thin crust.
Alright. Bala, Dr. Bala,
Goodness.
you prefer this or Domino's or Pizza Hut?
Hot and spicy.
Hot and spicy.
But it is more Indian kind of taste. So
Okay. Cheers. So that was Dr. Bala, top urologist in STMC. You want to visit him? He's available every day. Free Viagra samples for the first 10 patients a day. Dr. Davinder Singh, top occupational health. The only doctor in Malaysia with masters in
Public health.
from Singapore and also Malaysia. Cheers. And also some say Batam. And he's the manager of Nutz Boltz. Guys, if you come to Nutz Boltz in Desa Park City, look for Chamin. He's very approachable. He's flexible. If nothing on the menu, you want something special, he do it first.
Of course.
So today, we asked for teh tarik cow because show the Bala. Dr. Bala wants teh tarik cow. All we have to do is buy the condensed milk and Chamin is organizing it for us. Chamin. Just put your master.
Oh yeah.
This is Chamin from Sri Lanka. Okay?
Cheers to Shamin.
Salute.
welcome.
Okay guys, at our dinner today at Nutz Boltz, we got two beautiful ladies joining us. Marisa, hi.
Yes,
And
Marisa.
Arisa. Alicia. Cheers. And how you find the food?
It's good.
Good,
A little spicy, but good.
Okay. Marisa?
Yes, sir.
Good?
Haven't gotten any
Oh,
food.
okay. Okay, now we're going to ask you how's the company? How you find our company?
Our company, amazing.
Amazing. You're amazing.
Yeah, I have to
Hey,
agree with
Kuga.
her.
They say we are amazing.
Yes.
Very amazing.
10 over
Okay,
10.
cheers. Salute. Alicia and Marisa joining us today for drinks. Cheers. Salute. Now this is Alicia, who studied, what she studied? In University of Michigan.
Michigan State.
Michigan State University. So, what you're eating?
This is Tom Yum Linguine.
Tom Yum Linguine.
Yeah.
Can you tell us how it looks, how it tastes?
Okay, it's a bit spicy,
Okay,
but it's good.
good.
Well seasoned.
You recommend it?
Yeah, I recommend it.
Marisa, what are you having?
I'm having rack lamb.
How is it so far?
Let me have a first bite.
Okay. That's the mint sauce, is it?
It's not bad.
Not bad. You ordered well done, medium, or how? Right?
They didn't ask.
Didn't ask her. Oh, okay. But pretty good. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel now.
Yeah.
Nazreen, please give them my contact. Okay.
Definitely I will.
Cheers. On. Guys, from Life at 50, this was our trip for some good food and drinks at Desa Park City with
Reunion.
Cheong, Kuga, Davinder, Ong, Alisha and Alicia. Cheers. Salute.
Salute.